What's up guys, in today's video we're playing OG Animal Company. So, make sure to stick around for the craziest stuff. So, this is HK's tag. I'll do another video on the tutorial. But you can buy an apple. We can go, and then we got all of these OG backpacks. Flashlight one. A boombox. Yeah, but you can buy the cash poles. But yeah, and then the OG Animal Company makes the OG sound. Look. Okay. Yo, it makes the OG sound. And look, guys, look, there's a lab rat. I don't know why there's lab rat. I don't know why somebody put that in there. This is, maybe it's like the collab with Yeeps and Animal Company. I don't know. W Drawing, whoever did this. W Drawing. Let's check out the drawings. My favourite one is the lab rat one. And this one right here. I like it. And then we are gonna go fight some monsters. So we're gonna need a revolver. Yeah, it has infinite ammo and a grappler. Maybe a bag. Yeah, and it makes the OG sound of a grappler. We're gonna sell the crates, see how much it is, and maybe even open. So here is like the OG lake. I like the little sunlight though. Alright, so I think you're present. This is like the OG present. Right, so like that, and then you shoot, and then we're gonna shoot him on the. Oh my god! You ever killed a yoga? Ooh. We're gonna collect the chicken. Sorry guys for that stream. What the hell? We're gonna. Alright. Oh my god! Oh my god! I died. So basically, OG Animal Company. Yeah. So, yeah, and also it comes with the moderator hat, this cat suit, and the early bird, and the galaxy. Yeah. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. We're gonna get the bigger one. Another grappler. And another revolver. Then I'm gonna crank it up. Did the monsters despawn? Question, did they? Oh no, they don't. Oh, sorry. Alright, we're gonna collect all this loot up. In this version, you don't have hip slips unlocked, so I have to put the apple. Dun dun dun. Oh, and a apple. One more. Okay. I'm gonna eat some chicken. And an apple. Yummy! Alright, where's my grappler? Alright, it's over here. Should I... Should we spawn the most monsters? Alright, we're gonna sell this now, guys. And also, guys, I forgot to show you that there's like the OG targets as well. So like, when you shoot them, it gives you like company coins, but I got infinite. In this game you got like everything. Okay, we're gonna sell this. This requires no APK, by the way. Yo, look at our money! Money talks! Alright. We're gonna look for the new... We're gonna look for OG Oh guys, I forgot to show you cash piles. I did show you, but I'm gonna show you what it does. You press this top button. $1. It's cold hard cash. This is normal. This is regular. And this is money. Look at your wash while you're doing this. J-Man Curly has this, by the way. Ads. So the developers gave him this because he played. Because obviously it's a big need. Can't lie. Right, let's kill this chicken. Give us a crate. These are the OG crates. Yo, shout out to Sky. This hateful K tag is really cool. So guys, we're gonna go on a hunt mansion. Or the chicken. We're gonna kill a chicken. I go to kill the chicken. I don't know why I got scared there. Alright, let's open this. We got a stick of dynamite. No! Okay. We got here. Alright, guys. I'm gonna kill some chicken. Oh, no good. Alright, we're gonna go to the haunted mansion now. Kill the angler fish. Right, so or should we go and mimic Pope? Guys, I'll go and mimic Pope to show you. And haunted mansion. So guys, this is mimic Pope. Right, this is like the April update. To go to haunted mansion, we have to go away. Yeah, this gun has infinite ammo. If you see like a glowing light, that means it's the key. Oh, so that was talking before. He's on a new target, so if you download this game, you shoot in the OG update, you get company coins. So let's find this key and get out of here. Very Alright, so we're in OG Haunted Mansion. This came out, I think it was Halloween. I think, yeah, October 20th. I'm doing a part 2 of this video, doing the Halloween update. And then we're gonna get up. Also, Dad, the money pack files in here as well. Okay. And I forgot to mention, there's like the OG jobs and this OG bundle room. No longer says and the part of it. That is all for today's video, and see ya!